Andrà, hai detto sta.
The monastery of the Grand Meteorion has become a point of tourism in Greece. These are a series of monasteries located on very stupendous hills. Here the Orthodox monks spend their lives in prayer and worship to God. The location of the monastery has become a source of great attraction to tourists from different parts of the world. The monastery is open to the public every day except on Tuesdays from 9 to 5 p.m. The monastery of the Great Meteorion is indeed a beautiful place to visit.